Let nature lead. Too much information spinning in your head, trying to fit the mold that the system said. Acting out your nature for a hierarchy that ain't even real, that ain't even free. Analysis paralysis got you stuck in place, overthinking every move, overthinking every phase. But the universe don't need you to figure out the math. Just feel the rhythm, baby, trust the path. Let go of the noise, let go of the game. Detach from the static, you don't need the fame. Dig down in your heart, slow down, feel the glow. That cosmic light bending you, let it show. Let nature lead, let the rhythm guide. In the glow shining through the cosmic night. Detach from the matrix, man-made and tight. We Martians moving to a different light. Let nature lead, let it lead, let it lead. Let the rhythm guide, let it guide. Shine bright, shine bright, shine bright tonight. Forget the hierarchy, forget the score. Nature wrote the rhythm long before. Selective breeding tactics, man-made games. We bigger than the boxes and we bigger than the names. Feel the pulse, feel the wave. Universe is calling, no need to behave. Let it go, let it go, let it flow. Inner glow gon' light up everywhere you go. Let nature lead, let the rhythm guide. In the glow shining through the cosmic night. Detached from the matrix, man-made